If you love rich, creamy pasta and sausage, this Tuscan Harvest sausage pasta is about to be your new favorite comfort meal. Hey y'all, and welcome back to Chanda Southern Kitchen. Today we will be cooking up some Tuscan Harvest pasta that's creamy, savory, and perfect for dinner. So grab your apron and let's get started. Go ahead and splash about 2 tablespoons of oil into your pot to get things started. Let that warm up a bit because every great Tuscan dish starts with a little olive oil and a lot of love. Once that oil is simmering, we're going to start building layers of flavor that makes this pasta absolutely irresistible. Let's get cooking. Now let's add 2 pounds of sweet Italian sausage. This is where the flavor really starts to build. Next up, I've got a 9-ounce pack of chorizo, and that's going right into the pot as well. Now we're going to get that broke up and let it cook. We're going to let that cook down for a few minutes and get some nice color on it. Y'all, this smells so good already. I don't know about y'all, but this right here makes me one happy girl. Now that we've got some nice browning on the meat, let's go ahead and add this medium chopped onion. Time to toss in some seasonings and really boost those flavors. Half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper. Let's mix that together. Now the flavors are really coming together. It's looking yummy, you guys. We're going to let those onions cook down a bit. And here I'm adding in a half teaspoon of dry thyme, and we're going to get that stirred in as well. Here I'm adding in about 2 cloves of garlic, but feel free to use garlic if that's what you have on hand. That works perfect as well. Now I'm adding in 1 8-ounce pack of chopped mushrooms, and we're going to get those stirred in really well. Here I'm adding in a little white wine vinegar, just 1 tablespoon. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to top the rest of it off with water to the halfway mark on the measuring cup. Now we're going to pour this into the meat mixture and get that stirred in. Next, add in 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon powder to really deepen the flavor of this. With your water boiling, it's pasta time. I like to add just a splash of oil first. This keeps everything from sticking. And I will be using 1 pound of cavatappi. Go ahead and get your pasta added in the boiling water and let your pasta cook just until al dente, firm but tender, the perfect bite. Next up, we're tossing in 6 ounces of chopped kale to brighten up things. As this cooks, the kale will start to wilt and cook down. Check out that beautiful, vibrant green. Our kale is looking amazing, you guys. And we're going to get that stirred around in that meat mixture. Before you drain your pasta, be sure to save 1 cup of the pasta water. You'll need it later. With the pasta drained, it's time to toss in that delicious meat mixture. You guys, this is smelling so delicious. We're going to get that stirred in really well with that pasta. And here's where I added in 1/4 of that pasta water that I preserved. And we're going to get that mixed in as well. This is going to help finish cooking your pasta. For a silky, creamy sauce, in goes 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter, and we're going to get that mixed in until it's melted. Here I'm adding in 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese to make this pasta extra creamy and flavorful. I wanted to make it even more creamier, so I added in another 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese and got that mixed in as well. So that's a total of a 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese. I am so excited for you guys to give this pasta a try. It is so delicious. Look at this, guys, yummy. You have to give this recipe a try. I paired it with some garlic bread, and let me tell you, it was absolutely delicious. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and tap that bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Keep cooking, and God bless.